This 2025 Dutchmen Astoria 3803 FLP is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Corsicana, Texas, 75510 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, Corsicana. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Dutchmen is 42 feet 0 inches in length and features a LATTE interior, sleeps 6, slide-out, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, couples coach, front entertainment, front living area, kitchen island, rear bath. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.